ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ẹ bá wa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu sínétọ̀ yìí o. Wọ́n ní constitution Nàìjíríà yìí wọ́n ní kò lè mú àlàáfíà wá fún wa o. Wọ́n ní this constitution can never give us peace. Wọ́n ní constitution tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí wọ́n ní kò lè mú àlàáfíà o. Wípé tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àlàáfíà kó wà, kí ìrọ̀rùn kó dé bá ará ìlú, kí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan rògbòdìyàn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́sì kó dópin, wọ́n ní constitution yìí wọ́n ní wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ pààrọ̀ ẹ̀, wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ wá nǹkan ṣe sí. Ẹ bá wa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn.
It's the credo of our republic. It says unity and faith, peace and progress. The truth is, whatever a man sows, the same he will reap. And that goes for a family, that goes for a tribe, that goes for a nation, and that goes for a multinational republic such as Nigeria. When a nation or republic cannot keep faith with justice and with the truth, it will never achieve unity, it will never achieve peace, and it will never achieve progress. Mr. President, sir, one of us quoted from this constitution and went ahead to make prescription for how to move forward. I dare to tell this nation today that this is the problem. This constitution can never give us progress. This constitution can never give us peace. This constitution can never give us unity. And unfortunately, most of us in this National Assembly, we don't have the spine to face what we need to give this republic to have peace and progress. What do I mean? This constitution has 68 items. 68 on the exclusive list. This constitution has only 12 on the concurrent list. And those 12 are written so nebulously, so fraudulently, that you know that the intention is to even undermine those concurrent lists. That is why those who want unity and peace in Nigeria must first remember that the name of our republic is not just Nigeria. The formal name of this republic is Federal Republic of Nigeria. Unfortunately, we don't run a federalist system in Nigeria. Otherwise, what is so unique about all those things that are in the exclusive list? We used to have a parliamentary system. And then we wanted unity, we wanted peace, we wanted progress, and we therefore said we are going to go with a presidential system. Honestly, there are many presidential systems in the world that have peace and progress. I can't quarrel with that. But we must put in place the same safeguards that presidential system across the world put in place, so that you can have what it needs to run the society. In this chamber, we try to federalize the police system. In this chamber, we failed. We failed because we didn't summon the courage, the wisdom, the tenacity of purpose, and the vision, and the understanding of what is making nations across the world to work. A man from Otukpo was the DPO in my local government when I was chairman. The man did not speak Igbomina in an Igbomina local government. The man did not speak Yoruba in a Yoruba local government. Every crime is local. And the solution to every crime is local. The earlier that senators in Nigeria summoned the courage to say, we should not continue to deceive ourselves. I know that police is costly. If we are going to allow some states to have police according to their own wishes, therefore, we must revisit the revenue formula, such as more money go to states. States are where the people live. States are where the problems occur. States are where local ingenuity can be brought to solve local problems. We have only 2 months left. I don't believe it is too late. Tomorrow, let our Constitution Review Committee bring only one item. And let us fast track everything that we must have state police. As continue you say no, you will continue to have your problems. I'm sorry for those of you who are in your 50s and 60s. Those of us in our 70s and all the rest. Now you go say face the problem. But honestly, I want to be part of the solution. And all of us should pray for the grace to be part of the solution. We have had these problems for far too long. We must have local policing capacity.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ẹ bá wa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn. Ṣé mo gbà tán ti ṣe fọ́nrán yìí? Ẹ dáa. Yorùbá bọ̀, wọ́n ní amúkùn ẹrù rẹ̀ wọ́, olókè lẹ́wọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀ ìsàlẹ̀. Kílé tí àwọn gọ́vnà wa, àwọn sínétọ̀ wa, àwọn rẹ́ẹ̀pù wa, àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ aṣojú ṣòfin nínú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin, kílé tí wọn ò ṣe jókòó tí wọ́n jẹ́ titilẹ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn tó kúrò ní gbogbo àwọn ìpínlẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tán lọ ṣojú Labuja, kílé tí wọn ò jókòó kí wọ́n ronú sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yìí sọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí sínétọ̀ ìsọkílé tí wọn ò jókòó sí wípé ìyẹn ọgọ́lù ẹ̀kọ́ kọ́kọ́ mú gbọ́ láti lè jẹ́ kí ìlú kó lọ síwájú. Wọ́n ní tí a bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àlàáfíà kó wà, wọ́n ní wọ́n nílò láti pààrọ̀ constitution 1999 constitution. Ṣé bí ìyẹn ló yẹ kí àwọn aṣojú wa kí wọ́n mójútó. Ṣé ti wá rí? Olúkálùkù wọn lé ipò mú kiri from governor to senator to senator to governor, from minister to governor. Àwọn nǹkan tí yẹ kí wọ́n jókòó tì, àwọn nǹkan tí yẹ kí wọ́n kọ̀, kí wọ́n ṣe àtúnṣe lé lórí, wọn ò ṣe lé lórí. Ṣé rí? Ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yìí sọ, ṣé ó ń rí bẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí àbí kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Wípé tán ọba ti pààrọ̀ ẹ̀, wípé kò sí nǹkan tó lè change nínú ìlú tá a wà yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rí èròǹgbà yín ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, a ní dààmú. Kí ló ń tẹ́ náà bá wa rí sọ sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ yìí? Ẹ jẹ́ ká rí, ẹ bá wa pín kó kan gbogbo àwọn tó yẹ kó kàn lára, kí àwọn náà kí wọ́n bá lè rí wípé ó dàgbà tàbá ní a yín àgbàdo sẹ́yìn igbá ni o, tán ọba wá nǹkan ṣe sí ọ̀rọ̀ constitution Nàìjíríà. Tàbí kí wọ́n jẹ́ kó kálukú máa lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀, torí gbogbo wa kì í ṣe ẹ̀yà kan. Lórí ìkànnì wa níbí, Àṣàkẹ́ TV show. Jẹ́ ká rí èròǹgbà yín ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. A ní dààmú. Àṣàkẹ́ TV show.